Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove spaces in Excel cells. You are going to open the Excel file. There you find the cells where you can see the spaces between words. Now in a cell, enter the equal sign, the trim function, then click on the cell to remove spaces. Press enter and you can see that the spaces have been removed. You can drag this cell if there are others to apply the function. Now copy the cells without the spaces. Place the cursor in the cell with spaces and from paste click on values. You can see the new text without spaces. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.